Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I am Siti Nabila Shazlika from class 2C. So, in this video, I will explain about modality and modal verbs. So, we must know the definition of modality. Modality is about a speaker's or a writer's attitude towards the world. A speaker or writer can express certainty, possibility, willingness, obligation, necessity, and ability by using modal words and expressions. Speakers often have different opinions about the same thing. These speakers are looking at the same thing. Modal categories are taken from logic, and modal operators or verb add modus to the semantic content. This is best understood when we try to summarize definition of modality. In a strict sense, modality is a semantic term dealing with non-factual situation covering two large areas. Jadi modality ini mencakup dua bidang besar. Yang pertama human, control over a particular situation associated with obligation, permission, intention, and the marginal ability. Yang kedua judgment, expressing the speaker's opinion, attitudes, probability, predictability, or likelihood, referring to factuality. Yang kedua, speech edge. Speech edge atau yang biasa kita kenal dengan tindak tutur adalah tuturan yang diucapkan penutur untuk mencapai efek yang diinginkan ketika seseorang mengungkapkan permintaan maaf, salam, keluhan, penolakan, ajakan, atau pujian. Menurut J.L. Austin, seorang filsuf bahasa, tindak tutur ini terbagi menjadi 3 jenis. Yang pertama yaitu locutionary act, yang kedua illocutionary act, dan yang ketiga perlocutionary act. Selanjutnya, possibility. Possibility may well summarize concept ranging from near factual, factual means this is the case, to close to non-factual, this is not the case once. Possibility or probability or likelihood may be connected to the following central or marginal modals ranging from the greatest certainty, near fact, to uncertainty. Yang pertama, strong likelihood deduction, certainly true, must, can, have to. For the example, you must be exhausted, you must have caught coal on the river. The news can be true. I don't believe it. Out of question, I'm sure. He cannot have said that. Yang kedua, certain future. 1. For the example, I won't smoke cigars. Yang ketiga, probability, conjecture, supposition on the part of the speaker, will. For the example, this will be the place. You will have heard the news, I presume. Yang kedua, obligation. Obligation or deontic necessity stems from an external authority ranging from orders and prohibition to requests and advice. Obligation might or might not take into consideration the possibility or ability of the address. Commands and orders only express an authoritative power. Hence, the tentative aspect is diminished, deriving from external or internal necessities. The strongest type of command is prohibition, but it may turn milder, request, advice, or tentative, promise, or threat, tailored to the needs of authority or power relations of the interlocutors. Yang ketiga, inevitability volition. The third central concept is arguably inevitability or volition, which is connected to four modals difficult to describe: will, would, shall, and should. Inevitability may stem from habits, routines, or typical behavior, and it is scaled according to the strengths involved. Yang keempat, emotions. Emotions are strongly connected to volition, and the previously discussed hopes, wish, preference naturally have emotional overtones. We can categorize emotion as strong or weak, but we have also noticed that as far as grammar is involved, negative emotions are more frequently used than positive ones. More than that, neutral or positive emotions can easily turn to negative ones. Dan yang terakhir, remoteness. Remoteness is the state of being located far away from everyone or everything else. And examples of remoteness is a cabin far away in the woods at a great distance from other cabins. Different grammar units actually deal with this remote concept: present tense versus past tense, factual structures versus conditional, hypothetical ones, and polite expressions versus neutral or non-polite ones. But after having discussed them separately, it is worth bringing them together with the help of models. Okay, I think that's all from me. Sorry for my mistake. The last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.